Hello children, a very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 GK class. Children, this is my second video of this week, so we hope you all will watch this video and try to understand. Children, today I am going to teach you the new chapter, new chapter, and the chapter name is here famous buildings, famous FAMOUS, famous building, and the chapter 15 page number 21, and the name of the chapter famous building. Yes children, in this chapter we will learn many things. We will learn about the famous building, our historical building. But before children, something I would like to tell you about the historical building. Okay children, historical building. Children, historical buildings tells us about our past. We can learn many things by visiting them. Many historical buildings are also heritage buildings. They contribute to the quality of life and cultural identity of our communities. So historical building, we can learn many things by visiting them. So we should visit there. Okay children, so now let's start the topic. The chapter first famous building name is here Taj Mahal. T-A-Z, Taj, M-A-H-A-L, Mahal. Taj Mahal spelling T-A-J, Taj, M-A-H-A-L, Mahal. Taj Mahal is located at Agra, A-G-R-A, Agra. Taj Mahal is located at Agra. It is made of white marble, M-A-R-B-L-E, marble, and it was built by the Shah Jahan. And spelling of Shah Jahan children, S-H-A-H, S-H-A-H, Shah Jahan, J-A-H-A-N, Jahan. It was built by the Shah Jahan. Now next one is here Hawa Mahal, H-A-W-A, Hawa Mahal, M-A-H-A-L, Mahal. Hawa Mahal is located at Jaipur, and spelling of Jaipur children, J-A-I-P-U-R, Jaipur. Hawa Mahal is located at Jaipur. And do you know children, why do we say it is Hawa Mahal? Because it has about 953 windows. Yes, it has about 953 windows. Or what windows? For Hawa or breeze, B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. That's why we say Hawa Mahal. And spelling of Hawa, H-A-W-A-M-A-H-A-L, Mahal. Now, and it was built by the, do you know who has built this Hawa Mahal? What you will say? Hawa Mahal was built by the Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. Maharaja, M-A-H-A-R-A-J-A, Maharaja Savai Pratap. Savai, S-A-W-A-I, Savai. This is the picture of Maharaja Savai Pratap, S-A-W-A-I, Savai Pratap, P-R-A-T-A-P, Pratap, S-I-N-G-H-C. Okay children, now once again I am just revising about that Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is located at Jaipur. It was, why do we say it is called Hawa Mahal? Because it has about 953 windows for Hawa or breeze, and it was built by the Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. Now next picture, next famous building is here Char Minar. Char Minar, C-H-A-R, Char, M-I-N-A-R, Minar. Char Minar is located at Hyderabad, H-Y-D-E-R-A, Hyderabad, B-A-D, Bad. Char Minar is located at what? Hyderabad. And it was built by the Muhammad Qutub Shahi. Muhammad Qutub Shahi, M-O-H-A-M-M-A-D, Muhammad Qutub. Sorry, Muhammad M-O-H-A, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shahi, Q-U-L-I, Quli Qutub, Q-U-T-B, Qutub Shahi, S-H-A-H-I, Shahi. It was built by Char Minar, was built by the Muhammad Quli Qutub Shahi. It is at Hyderabad, H-Y-D-E-R-A-B-A-D, Bad, Hyderabad. Now next picture is here. This is the picture of Muhammad Quli Qutub Shahi. He was also founder of Hyderabad. Now next, Gateway of India. Spelling of Gateway of India: Gateway. Gateway. of India. India. Gateway of India. Gateway of India is at Mumbai. It was built by the Government of India. And spelling of government: Government. Government. Gateway of India was built by the Government of India. Okay children, now next one is here. Next famous building is here, Golden Temple. Spelling of Golden Temple: Golden. Golden Temple, Temple. Temple. Golden Temple is a wonderful Gurudwara. And spelling of Gurudwara, you will check your book, Babu, in your page number 21. Spelling of Gurudwara is wrong, but you will correct it. And spelling of Gurudwara: Gurudwara. So you will make it here Guru. You will write there Gurudwara, Dwara, Gurudwara. Gurudwara located at Amritsar, and Amrit, Amrit, Sar, Sir, Amritsar. It is in Punjab. And do you know, more than 5 lakh people visit there, and this is holy places each year. Yes, more than 5 lakh people visit this holy places each year. Understood children? Now next one is here, Qutub Minar. Qutub. Qutub, Minar. Minar. Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is the highest single tower. Yes, it is the highest single tower in India. Which is the highest single tower in India? What will you speak? Qutub Minar. Spelling of Qutub: Qutub, Minar. Minar. And it is located on outskirts of Delhi. Okay children, now next one, this is the picture of Qutub Minar. And spelling Qutub Minar. Minar. Qutub Minar. Now next one is here, Lotus Temple. Spelling of Lotus Temple: Lotus, Lotus, Temple. Temple. The Lotus Temple is located in New Delhi, and Delhi, and New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi, and it looks like the flower of lotus, as you can see in this picture. Now it is a Baha'i house of worship. Bahai, Baha'i house, House, house of worship. Spelling of worship: Worship. Worship. It was completed in 1986. Yes, it was completed in 1986. So I hope children you all have understood. So now children, you all will complete the chapter 15, page number 21, and some hard words are there. You will try to write in your copy, like first hard. And we have also one more famous building is here, India Gate. India Gate. The India Gate is the largest war memorial. Spelling of memorial: Memorial. Memorial in India. It is the largest war memorial in India, and it was designed by Edwin Lutyens. Yes, it was designed by the Edwin Lutyens, and he was the chief architect of New Delhi. Yes, he was the chief architect of New Delhi. Now after that we will learn. This is a picture of what? Edwin Lutyens. Now children, we will read the hard words of this chapter, page number 21. Everyone will turn the page, and you will also write down the hard words in your copy. Like first word is here, famous. 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 Each word only I will speak 2 times. You will also learn, and you will write in your copy. Famous. 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 Golden Temple. Golden. Golden. Temple. Now wonderful. Wonder. Wonder. Full. Wonderful. Gurudwara. 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 You will write the spelling of Gurudwara: Guru. Here you will write Guru. What will you write the spelling of Gurudwara? Guru. Gurudwara. Dwara. Again I am just repeating here Gurudwara spelling. You will change it. What in book also written on what Guru Gurudwara DWARA Gurudwara. Now spelling of Amritsar AMRIT Amrit SAR Sir Amritsar. Yeah. Now after that, and Golden Temple is located at Amritsar. India Gate INDIA India GATE Gate India Gate. India Gate is the what largest war memorial in India. Okay, Babu. Now next MEMORIAL memorial. Spelling of memorial MEMORIAL. Now next word is speak everyone. Spelling of Edwin Lutyens ED. Now after that what designed. First Edwin. What is the spelling of Edwin? What EDWIN. But before you will learn the spelling of design. DESIGNED designed. Now after that Edwin Lutyens LEDWIN Edwin Lutyens 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 Edwin Lutyens. Now after that architect ARCHITECT architect. After that Hawa Mahal HAWA Hawa MAHAL Mahal. Hawa Mahal is at Jaipur. Now window WINDOW window. After that Maharaja 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 Savai SAWAI Savai Pratap 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 Singh Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. After that Bahai 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 worship WORSHIP worship. Now marble MARBLE marble. After that Shahjahan SHAH Shahjahan JAHAN Jahan Shahjahan government GOVERNMENT government. After that Hyderabad HYDERABAD Hyderabad. So children, I hope you all have learned, and those who have not learned, children, at home try to learn, and you will write down the hard words in your copy, and also you all complete the page number 21 and try to learn. Okay children, so with hope you all have understood. For today I would like to say you thank you and have a good day.